what's up? My name is Rizwan Ahmed, and today, welcome to Watch and Learn with Rizwan channel. And today I will be showing you some tips and tricks and how to make a rainbow. So if you like the video, like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel. So yeah, let's go. So these are the materials we need: a mirror and a pan like this, a plate like this. So yeah, I will show you. You have to take the mirror and put it like this. So now I will show you, and it will make a rainbow. I will show you how it will make a rainbow. So now see, there will be a rainbow. This is a rainbow, and this is my cousin Aslan. So you can see the rainbow. So you can do it home easily. So yeah, this was for the video. So yeah.